Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to make African dolls. These are made with either newspapers or any rough papers. You can either make rolls of the newspaper and stick them like this, or you can have some fewer rolls and stick another paper on it like a skirt. Headgears can be like a hat or a turban. These can also be made in male characters like this. So let's start. So these are some rough papers I have. I have to make the rolls with it. So take the papers that are scribbled for this. You can either make rolls with a pencil like this. Start from a corner, roll it, keep removing the pencil out, roll it till the end, apply glue here and stick it like this. See that all the rolls are of the same size. Now these are thick rolls. I want to make thinner rolls, so I'll just roll it with my fingers here and make very thin rolls. The size of the paper that you take, it can be one notebook page or just less than A4 size. If you're taking the newspaper, take half the paper, so it's less than an A4 size. So like this you can roll. You can also use a skewer stick to roll it and stick it like this. We need lots of rolls. First, two for this neck and the arm. So we'll start from here. So I'll make a few rolls first, then we can assemble them. So I've made a few thin rolls now. I'll make more rolls as and when needed. I'll start assembling first. So first of all, we will make these will be the arms and this is the head. Now when you see, this part is thicker as compared to the ends. So what we'll do is, we'll fold it here and we'll attach the head here. So I'll apply some glue and stick it. You can keep the arm in between these two rods and stick it. Apply some glue and stick it. You can hold it for a while till it sticks, or you can put the clips that we use for drying the clothes. Now let's go with the shoulder. So fold this in half and one piece from one side, from one shoulder, and it will be cross. It will come cross here. This is the center. You can also apply a little bit of glue here so that it remains in place. Then the second one from the other side, fold it in half, bring it from here, one more from this side, and another one from the other side. So these are the shoulders. We will seal it with the rod itself. So first flatten the rod, apply glue on one side and roll it around here and it will stick. I'll roll one more rod here. Flatten the rod, apply some glue and I'll continue it here. Stick it. We will have the skirt from here. Okay, here if you want you can apply some duct tape or the masking tape. So the base is ready. Now we have to stick the skirt. For this we need several rods. We will cut the ends of these rods because they are thin, and see that you keep the length of all the rods same. Now this waist part is very thin, so we can add a layer here and on this we can stick the skirt. And on this I will stick the rods like this. I've made a few more rods and I've cut the ends. I'll use these for the skirt. Now in this one, for the base, I have made a ring with the newspaper itself and I've stuck it inside these rods. So I'll make a ring with this first. So this will be the size of the ring. I'll apply some glue here. Now this ring is not sturdy enough. That's why I'll attach another rod around it. So apply glue all around. And this is the ring that I will be attaching at the base. I'll first stick these for the skirt. So apply glue all over here and stick these rods. You can leave a little bit of space in between because we are gluing this style where the number of rods are fewer, and I'll be sticking another page on it. These rods are straight now, but when we attach this ring at the base, the skirt will be wider at the base. Now I have made a roll with this white paper. It's not very thick, it's very thin. I'll be attaching it here so that these rods do not come off. You can cut it off after one circumference also, or else just continue and stick this around. Now these rods will not come off. So one by one I will stick them so that they remain in place. So leave more space and stick them. When you're sticking, you can put paper clips like this so that it remains in place while you're sticking the other pieces. These rods are fixed to this ring at the base now. Let's make the head. For that, you can either crush a paper into a ball and then fix to it, or else we can make rods out of the paper and roll that as the head. So I'm going to make a combination of both. I'll make a ball first, apply some glue, and fix this, and then around it I'll put a layer of the rod, and I'll roll this around the head. So apply glue on this, and in a spiral way I will attach the head. So I've made only 3 rolls, 3 rounds here. I think I'll put another roll below this with a thin. I think this much is enough. So I will cut off the extra and seal it here. The same way I will roll a few more rods here as a turban. The turban is done. Now I'll make the skirt. For this, apply some glue here and also on the top of the rods of the skirt. And stick it. Leave some gap in between, leave some space in between, and then stick the next one. Don't keep it flat. Let this paper go down a little bit. So like this you have to cover the whole skirt. You can put another piece here and another piece here and cover it. I've stuck the paper all around for making the skirt. There are pieces here and there, that's fine. Now the only part left is painting it. I'll be using acrylic colors. Only the face, neck and the arms and some part here will be black. The skin will be black and all the other parts will be in bright colors. Now I have colored the whole thing. The face, the arms, the body in black, and the skirt, the turban, the dress in bright colors. I've also done some design here, some leaf design. You can do any floral or any geometric design also, but see that you use bright colors like this.